Get ready, start. A way out on the government and doctor led protests in West Bengal. The West Bengal government must enable the changes doctors want to see. After 5 attempts, the Mamata Banerjee government finally managed to hold talks with protesting junior doctors on September 16, 2024. Conceding to most of the demands, which included a call to replace the Kolkata police commissioner and several health department officials, the chief minister urged them to join duty for the sake of the people. Seeking justice for the rape and murder of a colleague on August 9, the doctors have been on a siege work agitation which, with the support of civil society and other grassroots organizations, has morphed into a people's movement. Besides several reclaim the night marches and other rallies, the doctors have laid siege to Swasthya Bhavan or the health secretariat, not calling off the protest even during 2 days of pelting monsoon rain. People from all across the city have flocked to the site with water tents, folding carts, bedding, and food. Those senior doctors, nurses, and attendants have pitched in with extra hours to help government hospitals. The strain is showing, and there is a clamor for junior doctors to call off the strike. People from the suburbs and districts flock to the top government hospitals in Kolkata, and while our patient department footfalls have gradually increased, planned surgeries are still on hold. With about 7,000 to 10,000 junior doctors on strike, the government should have done more to end the impasse earlier. There is an acute trust deficit between the two sides, and the whiff of a cover up in the way the rape and murder investigation was handled in the initial stages till the CBI took over, particularly by the hospital administration and also by the government, further alienated the doctors. The former principal of RG Kar Medical College and Hospital, Sandeep Ghosh, has since been arrested. But the government has a lot of work to do if it wants to seriously address some of the other demands. It will take time, money, and willpower to increase the safety and the security of doctors and end the threat culture pervading in government hospitals. The Supreme Court of India, which is hearing the case suo motu, was skeptical about the deployment of contractual security personnel in government hospitals and medical colleges, and has pulled up the administration for the slow installation of CCTV cameras. To that end, the state government has told the doctors and also informed the top court that it is setting aside rupees 100 crore to improve hospital infrastructure and will form a task force headed by the chief secretary with representatives of doctors to sort out issues. To get doctors on her side, the chief minister, who holds the health and home portfolios, has to walk the talk.